When it comes down to the Sephora credit card, when you guys get rewards, you are not able to get this back as like cash back. You guys are going to get this back as rewards, and you can use it at the register when you guys are checking out. Your rewards are going to expire, so you want to use them right away, or they are going to expire, and you guys are not able to say, hey, I'm going to use some of my rewards right now. A lot of times you're going to have to use them all right then and there, because anything you don't use is going to be forfeited. So keep that in mind when you guys get that Sephora credit card and you think about the rewards. Now let's go ahead and add this back, because I was reading about this and I'm like, oh my gosh. Really. So how do you redeem it? So you have to present your credit card reward you received in your billing statement at checkout. So present it at checkout, and you can use it at checkout. There is no maximum amount of rewards you can redeem in a store. Can you redeem part of a credit card reward? No. Rewards must be fully redeemed in a single transaction. Any unused portion will be forfeited. So just keep that in mind, you guys. When it comes down to rewards, you are not able to get like cash back as a statement credit.